From the dashboard, click Search and enter a keyword. You can refine the results using the advanced search filters and sorting options. The system will remember your last search settings. Use the Reset button to clear these and start a new search. Results will be organized into tabs by format or intended use. The Video tab is split into content housed on SAFARI Montage servers, ensuring quality playback within your district's network, and links to curated videos housed on websites such as YouTube. Your district may also be set up to allow integrated searches for resources in your Google or OneDrive. Search results include basic information about each title. You may see an expanded view that shows all relevant chapters and key concepts. For a more streamlined view, you can collapse segment results here. Click on a title to learn more about it. On the title page, you'll see the full details, including information about all of the chapters for a video. This list is expandable, revealing each chapter's key concepts and their descriptions. Key concepts are shorter clips within a chapter that address specific elements of the curriculum. You can start a keyword search from any page where you see the quick search bar, and you can easily get back to your most recent searches here.